welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I think before I will upload this video will be after Christmas or so, because this is obviously Christmas morning and I want to make rice, and I want to take you guys along. Ian is still sleeping, so before he wakes up I want to be done with everything, like almost everything, because when he's awake and starts disturbing, I'm going to be disorganized and I don't want that. So guys, let's start cooking. I'm using turkey and saw block and all. Just going to try to defrost it and boil it here. I'll add onions, then I'm going to add my seasonings, which is curry, thyme, grounded garlic, grounded ginger, then salt and Maggi cube. The turkey is blocked, so I'm just going to add a little water, because when it starts steaming now, it will have a lot of water. I don't want water to be too much. Now it has started boiling, so I'm just going to stir it a little. Turkey is boiling, I just want to appreciate you guys. We hit 1K subscribers, guys. I'm so happy, guys, and I thank you all for subscribing. Thanks to my new subscribers and thanks to my old subscribers that have been here supporting me, watching all my videos. I'm really happy and I'm grateful to you guys, and I'm so excited, guys. I thank God. As the year 2023, we are hitting 100K subscribers by God's grace, guys. I'm speaking it into existence, really happy. So now I'm just going to leave the turkey to just cook, then try to prep my vegetables and all that and get those ones sorted out. The turkey is all cooked and is soft, so now I'm just going to pack it and put it in the sieve because I'm going to fry it next. Another step I love doing is adding your onions to your oil. It's going to give your chicken or your turkey extra flavor. Let me know in the comment section if you also do this step. now that my chicken is all fried, I'm going to be adding my rice to my meat stock. I don't normally add water at first so that I don't want my rice to be saggy. I'm just going to add the rice, then try and stir it to see the amount of water that I'm going to add. So now I'm just going to add the green pepper, then blend it, then add it to the rice for it to give it another kind of color. So now I'm just going to add some salt, some Maggi cube, and some curry, then cover it for it to boil and cook. I don't add too much of water because I don't want the rice to be saggy. So next I'm going to fry the prawns. After the prawn is fully cooked, I'm just going to remove it, then add onions to the same oil, then add some bell pepper, add all my veggies, then just fry.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem in Israel this blessed babe was born, and laid within that manger above his blessed morn, to which his mother Mary did nothing take him scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. From God our heavenly Father a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same, how that in Bethlehem was born the Son of God by name. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Fear not, then said the angel, and nothing you afraid. This day is born a Savior.
So next you can separate your veggies or you can all add all your rice together. But I separated this one. I'm just going to add rice bit by bit, then fry it. You have to fry your fry. It's called fried rice, not cooked rice. Fry it so that it will not get spoiled on time.
The pure virgin bride, to free all those who trust in him from Satan's power and might. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now to the Lord sing praises, all you within this place. This holy tide of Christmas, all other dusty things. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
What I did for the turkey, I mix it with pepper sauce. This also give it another kind of flavor. You can serve your turkey like this to your guests or something, or you can serve it with your rice. This is also an amazing step. I'm done cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the family. Please subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. And for my OG, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Happy New Year in advance, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.